Hello everyone, this is Roshni a legal intern with LEXIS and Company. In this video, I'll be talking about one very alarming issue, per se, a very horrible issue that has been happening in India for like decades or centuries or a millennium. So basically, I'll be talking about a particular horrible issue that, as I said, that is honor killing. So basically, what is honor killing? We have heard about we have heard about certain people killing their own daughters because they married a person of lower caste, or a lower caste guy killing another person for protecting their caste and everything. That is called honor killing, a killing that happens for to protect the honor of the family. So it is prevalent in almost many parts of India, and the most important reason is caste and Gotra culture that is still prevalent in India, even though the Constitution of India bans such practices. So in this particular case, of honor killing, there is a report by the National Crime Record Bureau data. There is a report submitted by it. The data says that in the year 2015 alone, there are around 215 honor killings that have happened in the country. So 215 honor killings in 1 year. That is something that we have to consider it. The country is not safe for people, and the country is not very much available for the people who want to marry the person of their own will. And leading on this list is Punjab, Rajasthan, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh and other states. And in these particular states, the concept of honor killing, the crime of honor killing, has been considered to be in its peak. And even the western Indian states like Maharashtra and Gujarat also have this particular practice of honor killing in it. So basically, when you look into the purpose of this particular honor killing, we could say that the main purpose of the honor killing is to consider the sequences that might arise to them for the family when a girl or a guy marries another person of a lower caste, or something that the society is going to blame the family for. So basically, when such an event or marriage, or with regards to the caste or culture, tradition, if that's affected, a family member kills the other family member in order to save the pride of their particular family. So this is what is honor killing is. So the NGO, there is an NGO, Shakti Vihani, filed a PIL in this particular honor killing case, that is highlighting the reign of terror, how much terror these ka panchayat are particular gatherings, a panchayat sale, as the name says, is particular gathering of people where there is a person who gives you verdicts, who's not a judge or who hasn't learned law. That person administers draconian punishments to the couple who fall in love or breach the traditional sangotras or marital relationship rules. Basically, if you are considered to be a particular caste member, you have to marry your own caste member. If you are marrying someone who is not of your caste, and if you consider that caste to be a lower caste or an inferior caste, you kill them. That is what the duty of the ka panchayat is. So basically, ka panchayat system is very prevalent along the states of Haryana, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh and other areas, and these areas are very into this honor killing practice. So basically, there are few penalities under IPC. So what are the punishments for committing a honor killing? Is that we could see from section 299 to 304, which basically speaks about murder and culpable homicide and other stuff. So it penalizes a person guilty of murder and culpable homicide not amounting to murder. So basically, if you try to commit a murder or something, you can be punished for it, which includes all these honor killings too. So section 307 is threat threatening to kill someone, attempt to murder, it's something that 307 talks about. And if you know threaten someone that I'll kill you if you marry this particular person, he could be punished under section 307. Or if you try to kill that particular person, you could be punished under section 307. That is one thing. And section 308 penalizes the attempt to commit culpable homicide, and there is imprisonment for 3 years along with fine, and this imprisonment shall extend up to 7 years too. And section 120A and 120B so penalizes whoever is a participant to the criminal conspiracy. If a group of family members come together and they talk, or say even the car panchayat, when all the members come together and they decide that we would kill these people should be killed because they married someone out of their family who is a lower caste or anything, in that case also every single person can be penalized for criminal conspiracy under 120A and 120B of the Indian Penal Code. And also section 34 and 35 penalizes several person criminal acts in support of a common intention. That is again kind of criminal conspiracy, but in a common intention and other stuff. So even though we have so many laws speaking about this particular issue in India, nobody in India is able to stop it. We are living in a very modernized country right now. We are living in a country where people are growing, women are going to space, and such things are happening in this country. And still in this particular country there are people who still consider caste to be superior and women to be inferior, or all these castes to be superior than them, and honor killings are still prevalent. And unless and until we come forward, unless and until we change our minds, this act is never going to stop. Unless and until the concept of caste is removed from papers, unless and until the mentioning of a caste is removed from the mandatory list in a paper, the problem of caste cannot be solved, and the honor killings are gonna happen forever. So with this I conclude my video, and I want I want people who have difference of opinions with regards to this matter, or any other opinions in this particular issue, to kindly drop down their opinions in the comment section. And thank you so much for listening to this video. Thank you so much.